I remember we went fishing down Latrobe, the Mersey River runs through as well.
Where?
Latrobe.
That won't be far from here.
No, it's only around the corner. And one of our cousins owns a milk bar.
Where? Latrobe?
Yeah, Devonport. It's called Little's Corner Shop, and I had a map of it at home. I should have brought it.
Which cousin is that?
One of Mum's.
Oh. This is the Mersey River too here from Devonport. So what's the name of that milk bar?
Little's Corner Shop. That's what it was called 9 years ago.
Oh. Would they recognise you?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh. Or stopping.
I think Grandad's old house was called Arthur Street. It was in Arthur Street.
Arthur Street?
Yeah. Where Mum was born up.
Oh.
Pretty sure.
What, in Devonport?
Yeah. I had a map. I should have brought it.
Yeah, we could have went and had a look at it.
See if there's an Arthur Street, because I think have a look on the TomTom and see if there's an Arthur Street.
Oh, there will be.